Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta go to your search bar and type down CMD, like so. Now go ahead and go to the right panel and click on Run as Administrator. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and type down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Like so. Hit on enter. Now type down ipconfig space / release. Hit enter. ipconfig space / renew. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and type down exit. And after that, go ahead and check if it helps. If that won't work, go to your control panel right here under your search bar. Type down control. Like so. Click on control panel. Now go to the top right, make sure that you're under large icons. Now once you're in here, click on Network and Sharing Center. Now go ahead and go to the top left, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now double click on the network that you're currently using. Now click on Properties. Now go ahead and look for Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Click on it and click on Properties. Now copy my settings right here. We have obtained an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses ticked, okay? And copy it, 88888844. And once that's done, hit on OK, close, restart computer. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.